Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. Let's just get right into it. I'm starting off by taking this purple shade in the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This palette and the Sephora Editorial palette have been my holy grail palettes. I love them so much because I'm a huge fan of colors lately. I've been doing so many colorful looks, and the BH Cosmetics is so inexpensive and it's so pigmented. The shadows are so great. But yeah, I'm just taking that purple shade and I'm applying it into my crease, and I'm just building up that color. I'm then taking this purple shade from the Sephora Editorial palette, and I'm using this to kind of bring down that purple so it's not as dark, kind of like a light lavender. And then going back into the Sephora Editorial palette, I'm taking this hot pink. Don't mind where my finger is, I didn't get a shot of me pointing to the hot pink, but it's that bright pink, and I'm applying that all over my lid. This pink shade is so pigmented. I didn't even need to put down a base or concealer or anything. I'm just putting it all over, and it's just so bright and pink. I'm obsessed with it. Also, if you are curious, I already filmed my face routine for this. It's actually on my Instagram, and it's also in my new video before this, the Maybelline primer review. So I'll link that down below if you want to know my face routine here. I'm then picking up that purple shade again, and I'm just blending it with the pink, and then I'm going to be taking a clean blending brush and I'm going to be blending out the edges of the purple, and then I'm also going to be going back in with the pink just to make sure the pigmentation is as bright as I want it to be. And I'm just going back and forth with the colors just to make sure it's extremely blended, because that's what this look is mainly about. I'm then going to be taking that purple shade on a smaller brush, and I'm putting that all underneath my eyes, and I'm going to be blending it out, kind of smoking it out a little as well. And then I'm also taking it all the way up, kind of past the pink, sharpen the line, and now I'm going to be wiping away any of the fallout. I really didn't have any fallout at all. And now I'm just using some mascara to prep for some lashes. I'm taking these Kiss lashes. I don't remember the exact name. I will link it down below. It is very fluttery and very dramatic. They were actually a little bit harder to get on than usual just because of how thick they were, but I think it kind of mixed well with how dramatic this look was. I did have a little bit of trouble getting the lashes on because of how thick they were, but in the end it came out really nice, and it just looks so well with how dramatic this look is. Next, I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm just lining my upper line so that the lashes mix well together. Sorry, I needed my mirror up really close, but I just made a small line. Next, I am taking this lavender eyeliner from Pixie, and I'm just lining my waterline. I love all the purples together. And then I'm taking the ofra highlighter, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Next, I am taking my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Sunset Cove, and I'm just applying this right into my inner corner, and I'm applying it kind of a lot, and then I'm going to be taking a brush and kind of just blending it out so it looks a little bit more seamless, and it just gives this look such a pop. I'm obsessed with how it came out. Next, I'm taking my Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I'm just lining my bottom lashes and also the top lashes as well. And then I'm taking this tool and I'm mixing my falsies and my real lashes together so it looks like one lash. Next, for lips, I'm taking this liquid lipstick by Tarte Cosmetics in the shade Festival. I love this look. This look kind of looks like a festival look. Hey, I'm going to EDC on Sunday. Maybe I'll wear this makeup as well. And I think the lips look perfect with the eye makeup. And then I'm using by Benefit Cosmetics my Presiously brow pencil in number 4, and I'm just doing my eyebrows really quick. And then I'm going in with some ofra highlighter. Again, I did do this earlier when I did my face routine, but I wanted to have some extra highlight as well. And that will wrap up this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video. I can feel your energy.